Hello, and today we're going to be building a Python web server with Flask. So, we're going to set up a basic website pretty much. So you need to download and install Python 3. I already have it. So you can skip all that. But here, you need to install pip using pip 3. So you need, see, pip. Nope. Here we just need pip 3. Install Flask, and then say, oh, I already satisfied, and then you can, there it is. So then, and back in the command prompt, we need to make a directory called web app, cd web app, and then, okay, so we've done this, now we need to open Python 3 idle, in file, new file, and save it in, saved. Now enter the following lines of code. From Flask, we need to import the Flask thing that we just installed. App is equal to Flask. Name. And then we need to make so just the home page, def index, and then we'll return if underscore name underscore equal underscore main underscore, then we're gonna want to run the app and let there be debug, and the host shall be this computer. Yay! Here, save. Okay. So now we're gonna need to run it. So here, Python. Ooh, looky. And a little fun thing. Where is it? Font. Change the font, the layout. Colors though, why not? Opacity. So that's fun. Okay, so then we need, how about we go visit our lovely site? 127.0.0.1, and let's go to port 500. And if we look at our command prompt, 127.0.1, and let's just try Chrome. On to 7.0.0.1 port 500 5000, or else it won't let you connect. Lazy loaded. Well, it says that it's running on this. Oh, there it goes. Hello world. But as you can see in here, it serves your traffic. It gives it what it wants. And then you've got a pretty little hello world. Add a new page. Well, let's add more new stuff. Let's add a new route. Because who? Cake! The most glorious web thing ever. And then we need to say define cakes. And then we need to return yummy cakes. Because who does not like yum? Good cake. Ooh, look. But you see when it makes a change? There it goes. It restarts. Detected change. Reloading. Okay. Thank you very much. So, 127.0. Port 5000, or else it won't connect. So we get that, right? / cakes. And we get the yummy cakes. So you see, gave. This was already in our cache. But now look. Gave us this. Yay! But if we go to some page that doesn't exist, we get an error. It'll just give us an error saying this page doesn't exist. But cakes. What about the legend? Yay, we do. Oh, look. Ooh, I think we might need to quit this web server for a second. Now if you reload again, it won't respond. In here, how about we make a directory for templates. Okay. And now, make a new file. We're going to save you in our templates folder, not as Python files. Index.html. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so how about we just restart that little applet. Okay, it's running. So now it'll let us connect. Okay, so now we need to write the glorious code. Why not have a slightly transparent window on HTML. So we need to open up the HTML document. We need to open up the body. Heading 1. My website. Let's add an exclamation mark in there. So heading 1 is the biggest text you can have. And if you do, so now let's close the body. And close the entire HTML document. No thank you, Cortana. Okay, so now we save it. Also, we might also want to import render template. It's detected a change. It's detected a change. How about here we return instead of hello world? Return render template index HTML. It'll find it, I think. Okay. Save the file. And you can see immediately it will find the change. Reloads. And then, but you see, this is fun. Just wave the command prompt around. And then it's not a pitch black box anymore. And if you missed it, it's right in colors, and then you need to drag the opacity. So it's like this by default, but you can make it up to this. But I prefer something like that. Okay, so we have the thing that's running, and let's go to our homepage now. My website. Yeah. add an HTML to the second page. So, well, if we could do one for the first one, you can just go away. Then why not just make another one? Cakes dot HTML, all files. You could also probably make HTML files just with Notepad++ if you don't want to install, but you need the pip. Oh well. You could also probably do it with Notepad. But here, let's open HTML document, open body, open header 1, type something completely random. I know.
Don't be late for your son.
I know. Okay, so, and then there's also one called header 3. So there's also one called header 3 and header 5. So it goes from header 5 being the smallest, and there's also a paragraph, I think. Okay, so, and then slash here. And then let's close out the body and close out the HTML document. And then let's go to our app.py. So we'll need to return a render template, please. We need to find cakes.html. Now, save. Our little web thing's gonna restart. And it's active. Slash cakes. Oh, error. Did we forget to save? Yeah, we saved it in the wrong spot. Me must go find it. Here, let's just go. Okay, so where's that web app? Where's web app? Ah, up here. I think. Yeah, that's the HTML document that we wanted to display. Toss it in templates. So we'll have to quit it, reload it. Okay. So there's our lovely. There we go. So add color. And navigate to the web app directory. Okay, sorry, we're gonna have to close you. So, an mkdir static. And then how about we go just on that app again. Okay. We need to create a new CSS file. Style.css. this. Body. Background. Let's say background red. The background shall be red. The color shall be yellow. No, blue. Okay, and then let's just close that out. Save it. Save my changes. Ah, yes. The index.html, the famous thing. Choose another app. Where is it? Python, please. Okay, so how about we just go into here, open up that. What? All files, please. We need index.html. No cakes. It'll be better on cakes. I guess the head link rel equal style sheet href, let's say slash static folder slash style dot css. And you may be asking, why do we not need to include the full file folder, the full path? Well, before the slash, it's just going to use the name of the directory that it's printing in. Currently, the web app folder. So, it's just going to start there. But if you placed it directly at C, then you would have to specify the whole path. But I wouldn't recommend doing that because it would require a lot more privileges than you really need. It would require a lot more privileges. Ooh. And then it will say detected change. I don't know. Refresh. This website is run by the cakes for the cakes, not really strict. Okay. So you can program these to say whatever you want. So, add dynamic content. Seems interesting, eh? Okay, for dynamic content, why don't we create a new app, a new route, slash hello slash name. We need to define hello into return under template page.html. Name equals name. Okay. So we need to create a new file and save it as a page. Page.html. And pass in this code. Hello. and then close our little header, close our body, close our HTML document, save the file, and save app.py, and run the app. And it's on. And visit hello/Paul. Just type in Paul. And yeah. Okay, so that was fun. Yay! So we're actually gonna open our templates, all files, and my website. Let's create a link. Save the changes and refresh that page. That was fun. So that's how you put in the links. You can add more. So now at this point, you can add infinite pages using this app, just adding using this, and then defining the name, and then returning a render template, and returning a render template, a render template like that. And then I could also, and then you learned how to make an HTML document, and how to code them. So to finish off, I guess, There we are. And then we can just send up the body and the HTML document. Also, one more cool bit of code that I have to show you before you go is if you say title, you can make a title page. You can make a title like this. And now watch what happens when I visit this. Look at the top. What did I do? Did I not save app.py? There it goes. And detected change. Here are. It'll say that title name at the top. See you next time.